So I got this thing here, this one from, and we're going to do something just totally random here. See this log right here? This is this Dirty Hand Tools log splitter. The cheapest thing you can buy on eBay, and it seems to work really well. We got it at idle. We've had it at about 3/4 throttle, and it split everything we put in there. I mean, we split this log here, this stump, but we're going to do this one here sideways like that because it's too tall and we're too lazy to go and use the you know, to cut the thing again with the chainsaw. So we're just going to sit in there sideways. Let's see how he does. Go ahead and crank it up. Don't get up. This is about 3/4 throttle. We don't run it up all the way. You don't need to. Not unless you want that thing to be really fast. Let's check this out. Again, I don't work for these people. I just bought this thing. Oh boy. Yep. Did it sideways. Look at that. That's eucalyptus. That is hardwood right there. It's about like splitting oak. So let's flip it around. It'll still fit in my fireplace just fine like that. Yep, just like butter. 22 ton, you aren't going to get that out of the Harbor Freight one. The Harbor Freight one's only about 7 or 12 tons or something like that. It would not do this right here. That's why I wanted the 22. I had a little trouble with that one. We have to use a different split. But the Home Depot one I rented did the same thing. Sometimes it wouldn't split through something. Turn it the other way, it'll probably split it. Well, it's got an angle cut there, so I'm not sure if it's going to work. Let's try it. Yep. It did it. There you go. So, it pays to be lazy with this machine. If you want to be lazy, you buy one of these. You don't have to worry, you just split through it no matter how you put it in there. Sideways, straight on. I don't know if it's going to work because it's not on the thing right. Woo, that's a bit scary. That's a lot of tons. I'm maxing this baby out right here. Showing you guys really what it can do. I really don't think you're going to break it either. If I do, I got a welder. Oh, it just barely fits. There's an easy one. Watch out, guys. Here you go. Nothing. Like butter. Hands. Woo! Spicy meatball. Watch out, we got wood. Alright, so guys, that's it for the Dirty Hands. Or no more Dirty Hands, I don't know. No, it's Dirty Hands log splitter. We're going to see if we can break it. If we can't break it, then we'll let you know. Talk to you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is the cheapest one on eBay. Talk to you in the next video.